Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at understanding FOMO and Islamic ethics in the context of cryptocurrency. We're going to view it through the lens of Islamic ethics. Intriguing, isn't it? Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. You've likely heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or maybe even Dogecoin thanks, Elon Musk. These are all examples of cryptocurrencies. Now, when we talk about Islamic ethics, we're referring to the moral principles and guidelines that govern the behavior of Muslims. These principles, derived from the Quran and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, cover all aspects of life, including finance. Now that we're all on the same page, let's dive into the heart of the matter. Understanding FOMO and Islamic ethics in the context of cryptocurrency. FOMO is a powerful force, especially in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. One minute you're casually scrolling through your news feed, the next minute you're reading about a teenager who became a millionaire overnight thanks to some obscure cryptocurrency you've never heard of. Suddenly, you're gripped by the fear that you're missing out on a golden opportunity. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. FOMO is a common experience in the crypto market, where prices can skyrocket or plummet in the blink of an eye. But here's where Islamic ethics come into play. In Islam, financial transactions are guided by principles designed to promote fairness, transparency, and mutual benefit. Two key concepts are riba, interest, and gharar, uncertainty. Riba, or interest, is prohibited in Islamic finance. This is because it's seen as a form of exploitation. Gharar, on the other hand, refers to excessive uncertainty or ambiguity in a business transaction, which is also not allowed. Now you might be wondering, what does this have to do with FOMO and cryptocurrency? Well, quite a lot, actually. The volatile nature of the crypto market, where the value of investments can swing wildly based on speculation and hype, can be seen as a form of gharar. And FOMO, driven by the fear of missing out on potential profits, can often lead investors to make hasty, ill-informed decisions, further contributing to this uncertainty. Moreover, the ethical investing principles in Islam emphasize the importance of making thoughtful and informed decisions, rather than being driven by fear or greed. This is a stark contrast to the FOMO-driven mentality that often pervades the crypto market. Remember the time when your friend Hafiz invested in a new cryptocurrency on a whim, driven by stories of overnight millionaires? He didn't do his research and ended up losing a significant portion of his investment when the value plummeted. This is a classic example of FOMO leading to a decision that's not only financially risky, but also ethically questionable from an Islamic perspective. The concept of qadar and sustenance in Islam. Now, let's take a moment to explore an essential aspect of Islamic belief that can provide a unique perspective on dealing with FOMO, the concept of qadar, or divine predestination, and the belief that our sustenance, rizq, is already determined by Allah. In Islam, it's believed that everything that happens in our lives, including our wealth and sustenance, is predestined by Allah. This belief can be incredibly liberating, especially when navigating the turbulent waters of the crypto market. It reminds us that while we should strive to make informed and ethical decisions, the outcome ultimately lies in Allah's hands.